Hello everyone. In this video, today I will show you the easiest free way to add this type of Google reCAPTCHA to your WordPress website. It adds advanced security to your WordPress login page. If your website is getting spam registrations or fake comments or bot attacks, this video will secure your website in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, we need to install this Google reCAPTCHA plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on this plugin settings, click on add plugin. In the search bar, type Google reCAPTCHA, and here you can see this is a advanced Google reCAPTCHA we need to install in our website. Click on install now. It is having 2 lakhs plus active installations. After installing, click on this activate option, and here you need to select this settings option. Okay, here you can see this is a settings option you can select. Click on this settings, or else you will get this notification like settings advanced Google reCAPTCHA option. Click on this option. You can find this option in after selecting this, you will get this pop-up. Just click on outside of this pop-up, so it will be removed. Under the settings you will see this option like advanced Google reCAPTCHA. Okay, now so first select this CAPTCHA, and here you can select where you want to place your Google reCAPTCHA in your login page. You can select this way to show. Okay, first let me select this CAPTCHA option, and here you need to enable this Google reCAPTCHA version 2. Okay, after enabling this, you need to select any of these options. Here we are having few options. We are having like pro options. I want to select this option, Google reCAPTCHA v2. Okay, please do select this, and here you can see we need to add our site key and secret key of Google reCAPTCHA. So go to new browser and type Google reCAPTCHA and visit this website developers.google.com reCAPTCHA. After visiting this website, you will be redirected to this page, and here you need to click on this get started option. Click on this get started, and you will be redirected to this page, and here you need to select this challenge v2, and here you need to select this I am not a robot. Here you need to select this I am not a robot option, and here you need to add your domain name. Let me select my domain name. So this is my subdomain, and here you need to add your domain name. You need to remember this HTTPS only. You need to add from www.yourwebsitename.com. okay, after selecting this option, after adding your website name, you need to name it as security or else reCAPTCHA. So add your label name as reCAPTCHA and click on submit. So after submitting, you will get this site key and the secret key. You need to copy this site key and go to backend of your website. Here you need to add that site key, and again go to this Google website, copy this secret key, and again here you need to add this secret key. Okay, after adding this secret key, click on save changes. We need to click on this verify CAPTCHA option, and we need to enable this CAPTCHA. Click on submit CAPTCHA, and now we have successfully verified our CAPTCHA, Google reCAPTCHA, and we need to click on this save changes option, and I will select this template and click on this save changes option. Here you can select any option like where to show. Here I want to show this reCAPTCHA on login form, WordPress login form, registration form, lost password form, comment form. You can select all this. You can enable these options and click on this save changes option. And in this advanced Google reCAPTCHA options, you have many options like activity. You can see the statistics. You can enable this login protections. It is available in Pro version. You can also enable firewall. You can block login using country level blocking. All these options are available in Pro version. Okay, so after adding this CAPTCHA, let me visit my website. This is my front end of the website. Let me click on this logout option. Let me click on logout. Here you can see whenever you try to log into your website, it will show this I am not a robot reCAPTCHA, Google reCAPTCHA. And also if you click on this lost password option, so here also it will show reCAPTCHA. Okay, let me click on this login page. So here I have added my username, password, and if I try to click on this login, I am not able to log in because I have to verify the CAPTCHA. Okay, after adding email ID, password, click on this I am not a robot option. After that, click on login, and now we have added extra security layer to our WordPress login page by using reCAPTCHA. That's it. Now your WordPress website is protected with Google reCAPTCHA advanced security.
Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.